All right, guys, welcome to our April 26th through April 29th, week 7. We have work in our American Lit Unit 1 Writing Freedom folder. You guys can see the upcoming work for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, as well as this crucial update that we are having pizza party today after school and tomorrow after school for those of you who need to finish your essays. Yeah, some people are upset. They're like, Britt, I don't deserve it. I didn't do my essay. Why would you have this pizza party? And I'm like, dude, it's for you. Let's pass this class. So if you did not finish your essay or you're missing part of it, come in. Let's get it done. Let's pass you. All right? That's this week. Come in Monday or Tuesday. If you are participating online, you can join by participating in office hours. I'll just open this class up. In order to participate in these office hours, you just go to your American Lit. Here's our access code here, 64GT1. You copy that baby. You go back to courses. You click My Courses at the top right. Then you click Join a Course. This is where you put that code. Then you click Join. And then you join our after school office hours. They're really usually Friday office hours, but I'll use them for after school this week. And we do not have class this Friday also. This is your chance for office hours this after school, Monday and Tuesday. Now going back here to our class, all of that was for your office hours if you want to participate in the pizza party to make up your essay. That's again Monday and Tuesday, the 26th and 27th. So besides that update, let's get back to our class. This week, scroll all the way down. If you were participating in that, here's your alternative essay assignment. There's one assignment, one sheet, get it done. Here's where we are today, the 26th and the 27th. Then we have the 28th, and then we have the 29th. So let's talk about those. Starting with, what do you know about American slavery? Jog your memory, write down everything you can think of. Then we have a text from the interesting narrative of the life of Olaudah Equiano. We have the comprehension assignment right here. You open that baby and make your own copy. That is a group assignment. So pick your group members, share that one doc with them. If you're online, obviously you do that independently if you have no group members. Look for textual evidence. Why would you suffer and struggle as a slave? It would be rough. So you want effective tools for establishing freedom. So think about, what tools did Olaudah Equiano and others use to gain their freedom? There was lots of examples in this, some happier than others. He himself in his autobiography explains how he got his freedom, but think about tools for freedom. As far as slaves go, it was terrible. Then we'll have a Slavery in America video the next day, and then the assignment that goes with the same text. Moving on to the next. Then we have the Gettysburg Address. We start talking about the Civil War after watching a video link. We have a comprehension assignment that goes with the Gettysburg Address. Usually we do those separate, but this is such a quick text that you have both in one page. So you have vocab as well as a comprehension question, the rest of the comprehension questions, and the name of the group member who finishes the summary and essential question. And then you guys have the assignment section to break up on your own without my guidance, where you answer these questions referring to the passage and do vocab together. So work as a group to get that part done, and then obviously you divide this up by group members to get the group assignment done. Then you have textual evidence, tools for freedom. Abraham Lincoln in this speech talks about people who are dying in a war. So thinking about that, what tools do they use to gain freedom, and for who are they trying to fight for freedom? So keep that in mind. The video is here, and then the PDF is here. The video is a reading of the Gettysburg Address, and then the Gettysburg Address text is here instead of going through Savas. That's our Thursday assignment, and then we have Achieve 4. Achieve 4, you have 3 texts to read: Authors in Agony, Branches of Government, or American Revolution. First Ladies will be gold. All of these help you to better understand the time in which we are reading with Abraham Lincoln, and then going back even further, 100 years up to our first president, and how the forefathers were writing the Constitution, Declaration of Independence, and choosing how to write the Constitution. All and any of these could be used for evidence for your final essay. Each one is really beneficial and could be used for your evidence for your essay. You have to pick one, get 75% or better. Once you've turned it in, do these in order, and then collect textual evidence. And that is it for this week. Text 6, Text 7, and achieve number 4. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. Otherwise, see you in class or after school for the pizza party.